The wind put the brakes on travelers out at DIA today. During the most intense hours, the airport dropped down to just 2 runways instead of 6. Airlines delayed more than 500 flights. Over 100 were canceled. CBS 4's Tori Mason joins us live out at the airport right now. And Tori, at one point, we were the worst airport on FlightAware.com's misery map.
And if you were here earlier, you would believe them. I mean, at one point, they only had 2 runways open, and there are still quite a few delays as the airport continues to catch up. But if you look behind me, more and more people are finally starting to take off. The ground delay has been lifted, and all 6 runways are back open. This is a look at one of the security lines at the airport a couple of hours ago. It's significantly shorter now. Thousands of people are finally on their way. High winds caused hundreds of flight delays today. Many were left scrambling to find new flights after over 100 were canceled. Right now, the airport is getting about 64 planes arriving per hour. They're hoping that number will go up to 96 soon. Stranded passengers say safety is worth the wait.
You don't want to take off with, 60-mile-an-hour crosswinds or whatever. I mean, you just can't do it. It's not safe. So better be safe and get there and arrive alive than to have yourself in an unsafe situation.
So that guy's cancellation actually worked out better for him. His canceled flight was able to put him on a direct one with a different airline, so he ended up getting home sooner. But if you are traveling tonight, you should still check with your airline and, as always, give yourself extra time. We're live at Denver International Airport. Tori Mason covering Colorado First.